Vinny sir, I need to ask some more point. So I'm joining this book club like past three and a half month completed. Even regularly, I'm conducting my PM section and book club. Everything done, and every week we have to connect like I'm reading book, everything. But subconscious mind, sometime I'm locking somewhere. Even if I'm taking decision, also I'm not able to not believe myself. For example, if I'm taking any new role or any something, my mindset is thinking about you're not able to do that, you can't what do you say that you're not uh, perfect man, you have to thinking all negative point is coming. So in the kind of things how we should cover, we think about like a positive. If you have any suggestion, at least if you share me, so we'll work on that.
Awesome, very nice question, Ravi. So what you're saying is, even though you are studying and you are doing your best since last 3 4 months, but somewhere that image comes that I'm not perfect. I don't know if I will be able to do that. That self doubt starts emerging many times, right?
Yes,
That's what your
correct.
question is.
Yes, correct.
Very nice. So have you? So if you think through that, Ravi, have you just thought through it? Why that is coming? Is it that some old impressions are coming, or what exactly is happening there?
See, for example, the same organization today I'm completing the 10 years. So why I'm staying in this and the 10 years in the same organization means first thing, lack of communication. I don't have confident more than before you ever read, because I'm studying in the Tamil medium. After I moving to the corporate level, I go slowly reading the English paper and the English book. Everything we have to cover that. So some of time I'm standing the outside. I'm thinking about why I'm not growing, why I'm study. I mean, stay in the company in the long tenure. So all this point I'm keep it in mind. I'm think about it.
Very nice, very nice. Good. First, let me acknowledge this fact, Ravi, that you are being so open in the group. Generally, it takes guts to be so open and saying that I come from Tamil medium and I had those challenges. Right, that itself is the first step. Right, the moment you are clear that you are not ashamed of the fact what has happened, that's fine. Right, I come from a very small village in Bihar. It's called Samastipur. Many of you might not have heard, right? And I used to have that complex a lot, right? That I used to think that because from my family and all, they come from very small places, so I used to think that can I you ever be a leader? Vijay says everyone is a leader, but I used to think can I ever be a leader? Can I ever be grow in my career and all that, right? And what the kind of things you're facing, same thing was there for me as well, right? Now question but I was very scared to share those. So first I really you're helping others, so that's a great thing, right? You sharing in public is not easy, and which you are doing it, that itself shows that you are a strong man now, right? You are a strong man, that you are able to share your vulnerabilities here, and that way you're helping others, because I know many of others also will be having, they might be good in their technology, they might be good in their domains, but still they are scared from some we all see that people who are good communicator and know a bit of domain, they grow like anything, right? On the other, they can grow in any not only sales does require lots of communication, sales and marketing, but even technology and others, right? So so I think this question is relevant for everyone. So coming back to you, Ravi, so you have seen, right? As I told you my example, and even if you heard about Ashish Chauhan, right? He come from a small place in Rajasthan, and he had all these vulnerabilities when he shared initially, right? He had met Sunanda for his weight loss. He was not even thinking of any personal growth and anything, and by chance we met, since he came to our home, and Sunanda being a freelancer weight loss consultant, so he came to our home and we met, and that's how he never thought about personal growth. He never thought that I'll improve my communication, but he was facing all the challenges. He was not able to get he was in job, but he was not able to change in clearing interviews. All those were challenges, as he said, right? But then we discussed, he started, he had lots of pains and many challenges, right? But now he's hosting the show, And I'm sure, Ravi, you will be doing it next 3 months, 6 months, right? But somewhere you have already seen so many stories, right?
Yeah.
So question to you is, what do you think? How can you? Is there anything that comes to your mind that is missing, or that is something that you can change, which can help you to change this thought process of that old image that is coming to you? Try to think through that
Okay.
right now. try
Right
to
now.
think Try to think right now, what could change, what can you change that can help you overcome this because people are doing it, right? There are so many
Yeah.
examples in this association, right? So when we are alone, then it's very difficult, but when you see so many people doing it, Harini shared an example, right? So what do you think, is there anything that comes to your mind, yeah, this is something that I can try and probably that will fix it?
See, as of now, my mind coming more point like lack of confidence. Confident I'm not getting in the I mean more from my end. If we want to go, for example, tomorrow if I'm going to interview, so my mind set all coming in the negative point only. How you have to complete the tomorrow interview, so what and all point they're asking question, so all mind is running. But even though sometime I'm taking challenge to we go to the front line, but I'm getting lack of I mean what to say that uh, loss of confidence.
Get you. Ravi, let's take an example. Let's take a scenario. Let's say Ashish Chauhan comes to you with the same problem, what you said, right? Now think about it. What is the solution that you will give? Let's say Ashish Chauhan comes to you and says, because Ravi is in the book club, somebody like Ashish Chauhan, I'm just taking an example. Ashish Chauhan may have more experience in communication at least, but let's say somebody like Ashish comes to you and he's taking your advice because you have been in this growth club since last 3 months. I am not feeling confident when I all my back images comes when I'm doing something. What will you advise to him? Let's create a space between Ravi and Ravi. What will you advise to someone else who is asking the same question to you?
What so we should keep like confident in more uh, in the like in front of speaking anyone or going to interview anything. So we should keep it in mind and strong what we need to deliver in the someone. So the if you talk in 5 minutes also, we should give a 5 minutes deliverable in strong only.
Wow, see, you have the solution. Now that Ashish is not Ashish, it's Ravi, right? So Ravi is talking to Ravi. So that is what is self-talk, right? So self-talk is about creating that space between. So I don't know if you know this. Not getting too much into spirituality, but this is for everyone. Um, so in our earlier shastras and all that, if you have gone through, or our ancient people, even Sadhguru these days, he says that there is a difference between you know there are, I don't know, if I tell you, Ravi, who are you, right? When I tell you who are you, so there will be multiple things that come to us, right? It could be this body, it could be this mind, and it could be that soul, right? Again, there could be different beliefs, but at least three things are there in all the religions and everything, right? So there's a body, there's a mind, and then there's consciousness, there's a soul, whatever you call it. Do you agree to that, Ravi? There are three things in
Yes,
us.
yes,
So
yes,
which
yes.
so which one is you? That body, that mind, or that soul?
So it is all related my in the everything only.
It's all related,
So
right?
yeah,
But somewhere, if you see, so see, this is my hand, right? This is my hand. Can this be me? This
no,
is related, but this is not me, right? This is just a hand.
yes, correct.
Similarly, this is a brain. Can this be me?
No,
It's just a brain, right? This is a body. Can this be me? This is just a body, right? So if you see, so what I'm telling you is self-talk. Before self-talk, we should try to create a space between Ravi and Ravi. Means mind is playing all psychodrama. It is telling you you have this self-image problem. It is telling you, hey, you had these issues and all that, right? I had covered this in one of the topic, is that mind has been given by God to kind of leverage our imagination and memory, all the good things we should remember and then apply to our imagination, and we should do some great things in life. But we have started somewhere the society, because we are not part of such association, not part of such people. We don't have coaches like Jayant or Ashish or Sunanda or Ashish Chauhan, right, or Sarba, right? So somewhere what happens is that our mind has become kind of that way, that it is creating all psychodrama. We are not able to control that. In a way, as I told you, mind and bodies are employee. You are the employer. Ravi is the employer, that soul is the employer, mind and body is the employee. So if you are able to understand this difference, no, then you will be able to talk with yourself. You will see that mind is playing that game, mind is giving me so many stories, but actually I can overcome. If Ashish and Chauhan can overcome, Harini can overcome, Vineet can overcome, Sarba can overcome, I can also overcome, right? So try to do, when you do self talk, most of the time when you read this book, What to See When You Talk to Yourself, I see that people don't apply that self talk clearly, right? How will you apply it when you know that everything is me? How would I whom I'm going to tell, right? So they say, right, there's a good soul, there's a bad soul, right? So there's a good dog, bad dog, good dog, right? So that is also there, right? So somewhere you'll have to understand, if you are able to create that space and then start talking to yourself, moment you feel like this is just think that so my mind is actually not using memory and imagination properly. Memory should be used for good things, but what do we remember? I think someone was, Ashish Khatri was saying, someone was telling, right, we remember all bad things. Something has happened, I think Ashish Wan was saying, right, that we all the wrong things we remember, that something bad has happened, and we don't remember good things. So we have to train our mind to remember all the achievements, and then train our mind that I can do so many things in my life. I have the same blood, same body, right? So, so this is what I think. But what do you think, Ravi? Does that make sense? If you start talking to yourself that this is just something that is thought that is coming to your mind, you have to overcome it and keep doing it, right? And I don't know if you remember that story I told about Saptvada Gyanam. Anyone remember Saptvada Gyanam? No?
Yes.
Ashish Khatri remembers. Very nice. So it's a very quick story. So basically, there is a guy from Bihar who comes to Tamil Nadu, and what happens to him is, basically he's very hungry, and he goes to a restaurant and says, "I am very hungry, and what do you have in your list that can fulfill my hunger, that can satiate my hunger? Basically, I should not be hungry after that." Restaurant owner said, "I have masala vada, and it can satisfy your hunger." Right? So this guy from Bihar goes to restaurant in Tamil Nadu and says, "I'm what do you have in your list which can satiate my hunger?" And restaurant guy says, "Yeah, you can actually have this vada. It can fulfill your hunger." So guy asked, "What is the cost of this masala vada?" So he said, "This masala vada will be for 5 rupees, sir." Right? 5 rupees, sir. So I said, "Okay, 5 rupees masala vada, fine." And then so guy goes, takes a seat, that Bihari guy, right? And I say Bihari because I am also from Bihar, so I can take that liberty. Oh, so the guy says that he takes his first vada, but he is still hungry. Right? He takes the second vada, still he's hungry. Then third vada, still hungry. Fourth vada, still hungry. And so this guy is watching him. How many vadas he will have? Fifth vada is still hungry, right? So finally he has sixth vada, but then still he is hungry. So he takes seventh also. And now after seventh vada, he is like satisfied. Oh my God, I know it's evening and everybody is feeling hungry about vada. So he is kind of very happy that now I'm completely full. He goes to the bill counter and a beer that guy shouts, one who was serving, 35 rupees. And this guy, of course, 7 vada is 35, right? 5 rupees per
Yeah.
vada. This guy gives him only 5 rupees. So the counter that owner says, "But you say you had 7 vadas, right? How can you give? You are giving just 5 rupees. This is just for 1 vada." So this guy was smart and he says, "See, my communication was very clear from the beginning." What was his communication? Right? His communication was, "How much shall I pay to fulfill my hunger?"
Yes.
Right? And his hunger was satiated in seventh vada. Right? So seventh vada was the one that made him fulfill. So he said only I will not give you for 6 vada, right? Only 7 vada actually made me feel, complete. So I'll only pay you for the 7th one. So this is called Saptavada Jnanam. So what does it mean is until unless 6 vadas has gone into you,
Okay.
it would not make any difference.
Mhm.
So Ashish Chauhan, when he has spent 2 years, already he has 8 6 vadas. Now it is time for his 7th vada. That's why he has overcome that. Jayant, Ashish, Khatri, Sarba, all these have taken already eaten 6 vadas. The challenge is we want to feel, satisfied and completely in control in third vada itself, right? So you have eaten just 2 vadas. Wait for
So
another
still five
another.
more vadas there.
So wait for another, 4 more vadas. 6 vadas are eaten. Then 7th vada, you will not have this challenge,
I
right?
will complete.
Right?
I will complete it.
Yeah. So keep on working on that, and whenever this thought will come, just ignore it, right? Ignore it, and when I say ignore it, that thought, just think that this is a normal process. I'll keep getting because I've been in those challenges, but think through that. Whenever you think you're not even able to overcome that at all, right, then you suddenly go back to your coach, come back to me, right? We can always discuss in one to one. We can do a coaching session wherein you will explain, because this takes more effort, more time. I'm trying to do in a group setup the way Vijay was doing, but this went too long. I thought I'll take multiple questions. But I hope, does it make sense, Ravi?
It's correct, sir.
Okay. Saptavada Jnanam worked, huh?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so let's take a couple of thoughts on this Saptavada Jnanam, and instead of giving solution, I was trying something else with Ravi. If you guys observed, I before I tried to give him some reference points, and I was trying to get solution from him, right? And which he tried, and if you see that example of Ravi versus Ravi, right, that
Yes, yes.
somewhere, right, that was instead of, that's where we call unleash your unlimited potential. Unleashing can happen from inside you. Unleash cannot happen from me, right? I can just give you, if I start giving you solutions, then mostly it will be my solution.
Yes.
So guys, to everyone, we have 5 minutes, 3 4 minutes. If I think uh, good that it was dynamic, and I also wanted to keep it dynamic. Thank you, Ravi, for asking it. But any learnings from what I said? Any thoughts emerges, or anything that comes to your mind, guys? That what me and Ravi discuss right now.
So basically, formula is we have to learn. Learning is a process, like
Lifelong learning, right?
lifelong learning.
Vijay's
Yes,
session was
yes,
lifelong
yes,
learning.
yes.
Okay. Or only till Saptavada. 6 vadas learning, and then Saptavada you will get the result.
Yes, sir. That all related learning part only.
Yeah. And what
How
else?
to how to we have to focus to reading book, and every week we have to giving speech and making confident. So all this Saptavada only they'll
Very
connect
nice.
with the story.
Very nice. Jayant, any 1 or 2 line from you?
Yeah, Vinit. So, when you relate to the Saptavada Jnanam, right? So basically, the seventh Vada is your, having that that knowledge that after we have the seventh Vada is like will be saturated is our goal. So basically, even when we are not seeing the results with the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, we should not get what to say distracted. We should not get disheartened. We should not give up at that time, because we know that at the end of seventh vada we are going to get the result. So we should keep on going, because we know our goal. Like this, I mean, basically the reason, the thing is like we should have that goal. If we have that goal, then we should be able to go there.
Awesome. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Ashish Khatri, you want to share something?
So thank you, sir, for thank you, sir, for sharing this platform to give a suggestion to grow my personal life.
Awesome, Ravi. Very nice. Ashish Khatri, you have any thoughts?
Yeah, yeah, Vinit. So very rightly said. Like if we have prepared the soil good enough, then it's not about sowing the seeds, but throwing the seeds and getting the results, right?
Awesome.
So how much time we put on our personal growth, right? How much we invest in ourselves, reading the books, coming to the association, giving the speeches, participation, and how soon we can, how soon we can influence our subconscious mind to adapt to those new things. How soon we can change our vocabulary, as Ravi was quoting, like the kind of challenges he was facing. he's facing, and the solution which you gave, right? The Saptavada Gyanam, right? So how soon we can influence our subconscious mind, and are we using the right kind of vocabulary? Are we using the right kind of words? And are we using the right communication even with ourselves when we are talking to ourselves? So yeah,
Very
makes
nice.
sense.
Great point, Shish. I think that's another example of sowing the seed and not thinking too much about the results and all. Good point. And this is again, Ravi, we are just taking an example. Don't think all messages are for you. It's for all of us, right? So yeah, I think you initiated that conversation with your, but we all are facing similar kind of challenges. So good. Sabha, you want to add something?
Yeah, so I remember that you talked about the Boda Gyanam there also, like, and that, I mean, one is the personal development as you discussed, and we were more talking about the communication, right? When we try to communicate, put across our idea, sometimes what we do is we try to put the give the end message what we are trying to give, right? And people don't get that. If you give the seventh bada to that guy, he will not, I mean, he'll not feel full, right?
Right.
If you give him the six bada, then the seventh bada, then only he'll get the point, right? So,
Right.
so in communication also this helps. Like we have to set the context, and then slowly, we have to give the right kind of things, and then only talk about the crux, so that he'll get the point, right? So
Awesome. Very nice, Sarga. Buddha, you want to add anything on this?
Yes, Vinith. So that understanding of that one simple things, what Sarva also added. So the context and the goal, what Jayant was also mentioning, the goal you have fixed up. So the once the seventh, you reach the goal.
Yeah.
But so if you have the context, then only you can reach. It's not that okay, one of the first bara is for different direction, the second bara for different direction. So it will be all pile up and you will not work. But if you have serialized them, prioritize them, so you will reach the goal one day.
Awesome.
At the seventh position.
Great point. Great point. Yeah. So not that first vada you are having, then second samosa, then third is something else, and fourth jalebi. So you should be focused and reach to till seventh with one goal. And yeah, once you have achieved your goal, then you can actually move to samosa, right? Then could be some other goal. Then could be third goal. Great point. Jyoti, you want to add something? Any? Yeah.
Yeah, Vinit, we should not lose hope. Like last week, he was giving the speech 3 feet from the goal. So you should not. He just completed 3 months, and we cannot expect that I will be like perfect in everything. So day by day, we need to improve reading books and all. For few people, they will in 1 year it will take. For few people, it will take 2 years. It depends how we are doing preparation and all. So we need to be focused, and we should not lose hope.
Great point. Great point, Jyoti. And somewhere I think this Saptavada Gyanam applies a lot even on the preparation, what Jyoti said. Right? So even we start thinking that, hey, I am speaking since 6 months and I am still not a speaker like Jayant, still not speaker like, let's say, Ashish Khatri or Sarba or anyone else, right? So the reason is they might have already spent, for example, if I talk about Sarba, he's already spent 14 years in his career, right? And on top of it, he's already here since last 1 year. Right, so somewhere he might be a better speaker. I'll have to take my time, right? So some people and some people might take 2 years where Sarba has reached, so where Jayant has reached, some people might take 3 years, but that's everybody's else journey. But I think that is where the six vada comes, all your preparation. So we can't expect to eat seventh and fulfill our hunger, become good speaker, get certificate and all that until unless we reach there. But if we are continuing with that journey, it will certainly help and we will be there someday. Yeah. Great point, Jyoti. Harini, you want to add any last point?
Yes, Vinit. I think whatsoever it is, we should have a positive attitude and a never give up attitude, which will take us to reach our goals.
Very nice.